sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, heated front and rear seats, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.